Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today we will be discussing some of the very important questions. So at times this question comes in the competition. So I hope you will get benefit. So let's discuss. A water tank appears shallower when it is viewed from top due to A. Reflection, B. Total internal reflection, C. Refraction, D. Rectilinear propagation of light. So its correct answer is C. Refraction. A water tank appears shallower when it is viewed from top due to refraction. Quality of musical note depends on A. Amplitude of the wave, B. Harmonics present, C. Fundamental frequency, D. Velocity of sound in medium. So its correct answer is harmonics present. A soap bubble is given negative charge, then its radius. So its correct answer is increases. So a soap bubble is given negative charge, then its radius increases. The main source of energy in sun is A. Nuclear fission, B. Mechanical energy, C. Chemical reaction, D. Nuclear fusion. So the correct answer is nuclear fusion. X-rays were discovered by A. Curie, B. Roentgen, C. Becquerel, D. Van Leeuwen. So X-rays were discovered by Roentgen. So this is an important question. A fuse is used in an electric circuit to A. Break the circuit when power gets off, B. Indicate if the current is flowing uninterrupted, C. Complete the circuit for flow of current, D. Break the circuit when excessive current flows through the circuit. A fuse is used in an electric circuit to break the circuit when excessive current flows through the circuit. So its correct answer is D. The sounds having frequency of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz are A. Infrasonic, B. Audible sounds, C. Hypersonic, D. Ultrasonic. So correct answer is audible sounds. Sound moves with higher velocity if A. Temperature of the medium is increased, B. Humidity of the medium is increased, C. Pressure of the medium is decreased. So sound waves moves with higher velocity if, so its answer is D, both A and B. That is, temperature of the medium is increased and humidity of the medium is increased. The intensity ratio of waves is 25:9. What is the ratio of their amplitudes? So we have the option. So we have the relation between intensity and amplitude. So what is the relation? The intensity of a wave is proportional to the square of its amplitude. So we can write I is directly proportional to A square. So using this relation we can find out the correct answer. So we can write A1 over A2 equals to under root I1 over I2. So we'll put the value and ultimately we'll get the answer, that is 5:3. So its correct answer is 5:3. Which one among the following is responsible for formation of ozone holes in the stratosphere? So its correct answer is chlorofluorocarbons. So now we will discuss a little bit about chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs are the main cause of ozone layer depletion. These are released by solvents, spray aerosols, refrigerators, air conditioner, etc. The molecules of chlorofluorocarbons in the stratosphere are broken down by the ultraviolet radiations and release chlorine atoms. These atoms react with ozone and destroy it. When X-rays are produced, then a temperature of the target is being constant, a luminous light is to be seen on the target, heat is produced on the target. So its correct answer is D, both B and C. So when X-rays are produced, then a luminous light is to be seen on the target, heat is produced on the target. White clothes are cooler than black ones because they A. will not allow the light to penetrate, B. absorb all the light that reaches them, C. cool the sunlight completely, D. reflect all the light that reaches them. So I think you know the answer. So its answer is reflect all the light that reaches them. Which one among the following groups is the most abundant in terms of number of species identified? So here you can see the correct answer, that is bacteria. So bacteria is the correct answer. The Doppler effect is applicable for sound wave, B space wave, C light wave. So its correct answer is all of the above. So some information we can discuss. The Doppler effect is the change in observed frequency or wavelength of a wave for an observer who is moving related to the wave source. Both electromagnetic and mechanical waves exhibit the Doppler's effect. Gamma ray consists of A. meson particles, B. neutrino particles, C. Higgs boson, D. electromagnetic waves. So its correct answer is electromagnetic waves.